Look at all the packages that he just left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look out.
I am done. Look out.
Hey, what is up, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a video for you guys that I'm sure a lot of you have been itching to know, and even if you haven't been itching to know, today from the title you want to know, and it is how to get free stuff on Amazon, in life, in general, from sugar daddies. No, not sugar daddies. I ain't got no sugar daddy. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the stuff that I've gotten. So this is gonna be a super huge Amazon haul, and I'm also going to drop a few little tips and tricks in between on how you can also get some free stuff. So if you guys are interested in all that, go ahead and keep on watching. So I have all of this. Ugh. All of this, and I've got a whole lot more. So the first item that I have, some of these are unboxed already because I couldn't wait. I thought I was only getting a few, but then the mailman kept coming to my porch and I was like, you know what, I need to make a video. So I have these super cute running shoes. I've been wanting some running shoes and walking shoes for a while because your girls, you know, she trying to get fit. So I have these, and I also have a pair, like a different style but in black. So everything that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video I got for exactly $0. I didn't pay for anything. Zilch, nada, zip. So I have some shirts here. Like, I love turtlenecks. I mean, it's summer, but these are for fall and winter. This is just a simple black turtleneck. And then I have a striped one, long sleeve, really cute. I'm a sucker for turtlenecks, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I have this Thayer's Blemish Clearing Cleanser. I really want to try it. Yeah, I really want to try this because I've tried the astringent, the regular witch hazel, and it has been good to your girl. I also have this black seed and cumin oil. They say it's really good for hair growth and stuff like that. Can't wait to try that. I have this volumizing lip plumping and smoothing scrub? Lip mask, sorry. Yeah, I have that. I also have this eyelash growth serum. I also have this eyeliner. I also got, this is super pretty and I can't wait to wear it. This necklace. It's rose gold. And it's supposed to be like 14 karat, whatever, rose gold, whatever. But yeah, necklace. And I also have these. Oh my gosh, like this is the thing that you never knew you needed in your life. Literally, like this is the thing you never knew you needed in your life. If you're a natural girl or you have any type of curly or super thick hair, these are amazing. What? Like these, they look super tiny, but look. They can stretch to fit over my entire head. So when you want to do your high puffs and stuff, you stretch this over your entire head, and then you can pull this, like you can hold the like little two ends and pull it. See that? Genius! The next thing I have are these. These are wax for hair removal. Yeah, so these are black beads, and these are said to be amazing for ethnic hair. And let me tell you, I tried them and they are the bomb. Okay, these are like what? Like what? Like look at them. Can you see them? Yeah, they're like these little black beads. You just melt them and put them on. When they dry, you rip it off. The hair is gone. I also got 2,562 million eyebrow razors. Well, it's not 2,000. It's how many are there? There are 90. 90. So 30 of each color. So needless to say, I never have to buy eyebrow razors again in my life. I have this. This is a like a beanie, but with it's like satin lined for. I hope the sound of these packaging, like it's not distorting my talking. Whatever. Anyway, yeah. So this is a satin lined beanie. You see on the inside it has satin for us natural hair girls. You know what I'm saying? In those colder months. You know what I'm saying? Is she cute or is she cute, honey? Okay, so now we're going to get into the things that I have not opened yet. So we'll be seeing those together. So let's get into it. As I open them, I'm going to give you guys a few tips. Oh, I don't need to cut it. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Drivers Club USA. These I think I got for my husband. Yes, ma'am. These are cute. These are fire. Ooh. He's gonna love these. Once again, just to remind you guys, everything here is for free. And let me tell you, the pricing on these shoes alone is like $125, and I got them for free. So just saying, you might want to stay tuned to listen to my tips. I think all of these big boxes are for him because I chose a lot of stuff for him. Yeah, these are another Drivers Club. Okay, I got these. Marc Joseph of New York. Ooh. 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 So these are pretty cute. Ooh, these look like they might be too small. Okay, so we got these. It says luxury, style, comfort, value. Definitely are luxury because the feel of these shoes are premium. And I looked up the prices on them, and the prices are premium too. Well, regular person premium. Because I don't go buying shoes that cost all this money. So to me, they premium. Oh, we have another Marc Joseph of New York. Ooh. These are nice. These are blue. These are like a blue suede version of the previous ones. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sir. So this one I'm gonna need to cut open. Fiberware professional, like compact chopper, like to chop up your vegetables and stuff. Like if you cook and do all that good stuff, you know that chopping can You get tired of that real quick. So I have this. Now, for les packages, I'm just gonna cut these open. I got some Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer for healthy skin. Definitely have to try this. 2 more packages to go. These are some compression stockings, because my feet get swole sometimes. Girl, that's a topic for another day. And let's see what's in the very last package. What is this? I don't remember. Oh, I got this for my son. I did not think it looked like this. So this is a hands-on spectrum math thing for my son, so he can like practice his math and stuff like that. It's like a strategies and tools active learning workbook, like for grade 2. So they do all types of stuff, counting, like measurements, like everything, because he's about to head into 1st grade. Okay guys, so now that we're completely done unpacking all this stuff, and you see I have the evidence, I have the physical things in my hand, I'm not just talking out the side of my neck. So let's go ahead and get into these tips. Tip number 1 on getting free stuff. You need to have some type of a presence. I'm not saying you need to be a big time social media influencer, because girl, I'm not. One day, but right now she not. But I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the tips for Amazon. You need to write reviews. Every time you purchase something on Amazon, you need to go back and leave a review. And not just a regular old, give it a 5-star, give it a 1-star, and that's it. You need to leave detailed reviews on your experience with the product, and it's an added bonus if you can add like pictures and video of the item. That goes a long way to get you some visibility on Amazon. Secondly, which is out of your control, but you can help it by making sure that your reviews are very detailed. People will vote your reviews up, saying, hey, this was kind of helpful to me. And the more votes you get and the more visibility you get, you have opportunity to, 1, be invited by Amazon to review products. Now that's one way. Second way is also by leaving on reviews on Amazon. The sellers themselves will notice you and notice your reviews, and they themselves can invite you to be an early reviewer, which means before they put product out on Amazon, they will send it to you. You look at it, give them feedback personally. Then after they post the stuff, you can go ahead and leave a review. Another way it works for getting free stuff, now this one might not be completely free. You might pay like, say, like 30 cents for each item, where like the seller will ask you to purchase something from their store, and then they will refund you the purchase price plus a little bit extra for taxes and stuff like that on the item. That's another way. But the key points that I want you guys to take away from this is, like, if you want to get free stuff on Amazon, you need to have a presence on Amazon. Write reviews, make sure they're detailed, make sure they have pictures and or video, and pray to God people find your information helpful, then they can vote you up and you can rise up the ranks. Now my second tip on how to get free stuff. This one might be a little bit more difficult, but this one can lead to, I guess, larger opportunities. Every time you purchase something that you really like, go ahead on your social media platforms or whatever you have, post a picture of that thing and like leave a, basically it's all about like leaving reviews, right? And I'm not saying it has to be all completely positive 5-star review. No, most of these companies will pick you to send free stuff if your reviews seem honest and genuine. Don't be blowing smoke up nobody's patootie. Okay, now the last tip that I have is, it might seem kind of weird, but be friendly. Just be friendly, because the average person, like, people will reach out to you and you might be kind of snotty and be like, who that is? But you don't know, because a lot of sellers have reached out to me and I never knew that they were sellers. People just reached out to me on Instagram saying, hi, how are you? Stuff like that. And I responded back, just being polite. And then these opportunities came to me, because you never know who you're in contact with. It might be, you might be entertaining an angel or something. That is that for the video. So I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna give you all the tea right now. I have opportunities from Amazon directly. Amazon has invited me to a private group that they have, where you can basically go on their website, choose any single thing that you want, anything, maximum 10 items per day. Every day you can choose whatever you want. They ship it to you for free, period. Just because I've been spending all my coins on Amazon for so long. So I'm finally getting rewarded for it. So I have that as well. I have built relationships with so many sellers on Amazon and on different websites as well, that they also send me things for free to try out and test out and give them my feedback. I've even curated a few products that you guys probably using right now, just because of my feedback. Has some companies change and switch around their things. So in general, people will reach out to you. You kind of have to sift it out. My advice would be, don't accept or review anything that is not something that you really would want. Like, just don't take random stuff, because I have had companies reach out to me for me to review and make videos on things like, child, things that I would not put in my body. So I'm not gonna make a video telling y'all to put it in your body. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you found this video helpful. I've showed you some of my Amazon haul thingies and giving you a few tips and tricks on how I was able to get free stuff. So I hope it helps. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, girl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and of course hit the notification bell so you'll never miss one of my uploads. So thank you so much for watching, and if you know someone that will find this information helpful, go ahead and share the video to them. Just send them on over to the video so they can sip on this tea too. And I have a few more videos coming up for you guys on exactly how I became monetized on YouTube in less than 3 months. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Until next time, bye bye.